Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a wine lover's dream that is about to upgrade your happy hour, the Yeego Wine Fridge Cooler. If you are tired of warm reds or flat sparkling wines from the pantry, this one is your ticket to perfectly chilled bottles at the touch of a button. Picture pulling a crisp white from a sleek fridge that holds 40 bottles or storing craft beers at the ideal temp without taking up counter space. No more guessing or running out of room in the regular fridge. This pro-grade cooler makes entertaining effortless and your collection classy. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Yeego Wine Fridge Cooler is a must for any home bar. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us break down the features of this chilling champ. The Yeego Wine Fridge Cooler is a freestanding unit about 22 inches wide, 33 inches tall, and 23 inches deep, weighing around 80 pounds, so it sits steady in your kitchen or bar area. It has a black finish with a glass door and stainless trim that looks sharp. The heart is the dual zone cooling system, with the upper zone for reds at 55 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and the lower for whites at 41 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, holding 38 bottles total. It uses a quiet compressor that runs at 38 decibels, with LED lights inside that turn on with the door. The shelves are adjustable wood racks that slide out smoothly, and the door has a lock for security. Controls are digital with a touch panel on the door, showing temps and letting you set zones independently. It has vibration control for quiet operation and a frost-free design to avoid defrosting. The 110-volt plug and 120-watt drawer keep it energy efficient. It comes with a 1-year warranty and feet for leveling. Price is around $350, a great value for dual zone storage. Okay, now for the real talk, pros and cons after chilling bottles for weeks. Pros first. Number 1, the dual zone keeps reds and whites at ideal temps. Number 2, the 38 bottle capacity fits a solid collection. Number 3, quiet compressor at 38 decibels does not disturb. Number 4, adjustable shelves accommodate different bottle sizes. Number 5, the glass door lets you see your wines. Number 6, lock adds security for valuables. Overall, it is a stylish, functional cooler. Now, cons, because balance is key. 1, the $350 price is higher than single-zone models. 2, it is 80 pounds, heavy to move. 3, the compressor takes time to cool down initially. 4, shelves are wood, which can warp if wet. 5, no humidity control for corks. 6, the door hinge is fixed, not reversible. But here's the truth. The pros make it a winner for most. If you have 10 or more bottles and want separate temps for reds and whites, this fits perfectly. Not for tiny apartments, but for wine enthusiasts, it is a yes. So my recommendation, snag the Yeego Wine Fridge Cooler today. It elevates your collection and is entertaining. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your wines will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more home bar tips and click the link to support us. What is your favorite wine? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.